Hello, I'm Audrey Dunlap. I am the Agency Director for Hatch and Fly. Today I want to talk about a billing system that we recently implemented at Hatch and Fly. It's been over 3.5 years that we literally were working on just spreadsheets, Google Sheets, and keeping up with our time and tracking all the details that our consultants do and work for our clients on a regular basis. And we finally got to a place where we were ready to simplify that process. As we grow, we're literally at 16 consultants right now, and we'll be at 20 very soon. It was becoming more and more difficult to be able to take a look at where our consultants were at and the total number of hours that they had billed in one quick snapshot. The other side of it that we had issues with was to be able to give a quick snapshot to our clients in an instant, and also to be able to take a look at our budgets. And so it's something that we just spent the last month doing with Replicon, and it has just been an absolute amazing experience and simplified our lives. So if you guys are interested in doing that for yourselves, you need to check out Replicon online too.